Another possibility in the walking is the salida cruzada, the cross system salida. In that case, the leader choose here he changes system. 3 will be with his left foot. 4, we will make a variation from the usual salida in cross system. Here the leader will collect and we continue with the left to turn, go, close. For the follower, 2, 3, 4, cross, turn, go, close. One more time, the leader, salida in 2, here I change system, 3 is with my left, 4, feet together, turn, go, close. So I get my feet together when I make my partner cross. And for the follower, 2, 3, 4, cross, turn, go, close. Add that into your walking.